Hi everyone! In this video, we will solve equations using the division property of equality. Solve negative 48f equals negative 336. To solve an equation, we want to isolate the variable, or in other words, get it all alone on one side of the equal sign. Here, to do that, we want to find all of the operations occurring around the variable. And here we have a multiplication between the 48 and the f. If there's nothing there, it is already indicating that it's a multiplication. Now to isolate it, we want to do the exact opposite of that operation to both sides of the equal sign. If I'm multiplying by negative 48, I need to divide by negative 48 to negate what's happening to the f to isolate it. But I can't just go around on one side of the equal sign dividing by negative 48, so I must also divide the right-hand side by negative 48 to keep the equal sign balanced. My next step, I will go ahead and write the equal sign directly below the other equal sign, keeping it all organized and lined up. Negative 48 divided by negative 48 is a positive 1. Positive 1 times f is just f. One way we like to say that is negative 48 cancels with 48. And while we like to cross it out, it does mean that negative 48 divided by negative 48 is a 1, and 1 times f is f. So whichever way you like to do it, however, when we say it cancels, it's a little faster. Negative 336 divided by negative 48, a negative divided by a negative is positive, and 336 divided by 48 is 7. And we can copy that down again here because of the third step, and we're all done. We can check this to make sure that we did do all of our operations correctly. So we can substitute negative 48 times 7 for f and see if it gives us negative 336. Using my calculator, negative 48 times 7 is negative 336. As a negative times a positive is negative, and 48 times 7 is 336. Negative 336 does in fact equal negative 336. So our solution does check, and f equals negative 7 is the solution to our equation, and now we're all done.